Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel, добро пожаловать, and to my wonderful kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make beetroot crisps. And you know, beetroot is one of the most traditional vegetables that we have in my country, in Latvia, in Russia, in Eastern Europe. Beetroot is a superfood for us. We have over 100 recipes with beetroot. However, today I wanted to show you how to make beetroot crisps. I have been buying them here in UK. They do like beetroot and sweet potatoes, so I was like, I'm gonna make my own. So I really wanted to share this recipe with you. If you are craving something healthier than deep fried potato chips, you can eat these beetroot chips. They taste, or crisps in English. I say chips because that's more like in my language when I translate, but actually they're crisps in English. So yeah, they come out really crispy, very delicious. Oh, we ate them all really quickly. It does take some time, but if you're, you know, quite a patient person and you like to do this as a relaxation, I think this is the best dish you can ever make. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now let's get started. So here I've got some beetroots, and these are raw beetroots. You want to just chop off the ends. And then here it is. I've washed and cleaned them, and I'm using my mandolin to slice them into very thin pieces, just like that. You can also use a really sort of sharp knife and chop them into small pieces, but it will just take so much time, and these things don't cost a lot. And if you know, very serious about making crisps of any kind of vegetables, this is definitely a good investment. Here they're all nice and chopped. I'm gonna add them into a deep tray or a bowl, and then we're gonna add a little bit of oil and season it with salt and sugar. And this is important to then mix everything together, and you really want to get all the flavor inside your beetroot crisps, and then leave it to drain. Okay, after 30 minutes you can see how much juice came out. We want to drain that and then place that onto your parchment paper. Now this process is quite a long one. You want to bake them individually, so you might need to do this several times. I think I did it 3 or 4 times, and once they're done, they become so crispy and so delicious. Just look at these. They're very crispy, chewy and crunchy, and just have so much flavor. They come off the tray really easily, and that's pretty much it. Really easy to go and healthy snack. And I hope you make these, guys, and enjoy. And I love beetroot crisps.